Make sure that your listing is 100% optimized. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips and techniques that help with my own Amazon business so they could help you out as well. I also share additional streams of income that I earn online. So if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and follow along because you can learn a lot of cool things that might help you out. But in this specific video, I'm going to be covering how to optimize your Amazon FBA listing. You want to have the right keywords in your listing and your title, and I'm going to show you how to find the correct keywords and make sure that your listing is 100% optimized so you are not missing out on a lot of sales. So we're going to jump into my computer right now and show you how to optimize your Amazon FBA listing. Let's go. All right, guys, we are inside Amazon, and for this video, I'll be using a White Claw koozie as the product example. I used it in another video. I thought it was a pretty cool product, so we will use it for this. So if you want to create an optimized listing, you have to go to your top competitor, the first competitor that pops up organically for the keyword. So the main keyword would be White Claw koozie, and then you want to look for that first listing that isn't a sponsored ad. So you can see that that first one is sponsored, but the next one over is the organic ranked listing. So we're going to look at that person's listing and see what they are doing and see why I consider it optimized. So first off, you can see all of the keywords in their title and their bullet points. And if you look at their main picture, that's a pretty important part because that's what the customer looks at first. Their picture is perfect. They even have the little water driplets on the cans. It's probably photoshopped on there, but it works. But look at their evaluation result. It's 10 out of 10. And then they rank you by like the white background on the main picture, the picture sizes, the amount of characters used for the title, the bullet points, and everything is perfect. So that is an optimized listing. They're ranked number 1 organically, and then I'll actually check their sales to make sure they're doing good, so we're replicating someone that has great sales. And you could see they are doing over $88,000 a month in sales for these White Claw koozies. So we want to be just like them. We want to replicate as much as we can, because why would we want to reinvent the wheel when the wheel is right here? All right, so I'm going to close this and we are going to try to find which keywords this competitor is ranking for. We could actually use a couple different listings of the top competitors, but for this video, I'm just going to use one. So all we need to do is copy and paste the ASIN into Cerebro. So if you don't know where the ASIN is, it's in the search bar on top, or you could scroll down here and you'll see it where the product little title is right here. So product information, and then you'll see ASIN. We are going to take this, we're going to copy it, and then we're going to go into Helium 10. We're going to go to their keyword research tool that comes with Helium 10. It's called Cerebro, and this is what you use to see which keywords your competitors are ranking for, because we want to target those as well because they are doing really good and we want to do really good. So I'm going to paste it right here. Again, you could use up to 10 of them, and then you hit get keywords and it's going to pull up all of the keywords that top seller is ranking for. So here we are. So I usually organize it from highest to lowest, and boom. So it's done there. So what I usually do is I'll go through all of these keywords. I'm not going to do it in this video because there's over 3,000 of them. It would take me hours, but I'll go through these keywords and take out all the irrelevant keywords like Brewmate Slim. I'm not going to target that. Skinny Fit. I'm not going to target that. But I'll take all the relevant keywords to the product that I'm selling. I'm going to go through these, get about 40 to 50 keywords, and I'm going to get the high volume keywords because that's where a lot of the searches come from. I'll also use lower volume keywords because when you target PPC, it's not going to be as expensive and hard to rank for. And what I mean by that is if you want to rank for Slim Can Koozie, you have to sell around 1,000 units in an 8-day time frame. That's the CPR 8-day giveaway. It's an estimate, but that's about how many units you need to sell under that keyword Slim Can Koozie to rank on page 1 for that keyword. So it's going to be really hard to rank for that keyword right from the start. It's going to take time to rank for that. So I always go for the lower volume keywords, and you want to have those in your listing as well. Again, you only have to have the keyword in there once. You don't have to replicate it multiple times. So I'll take all these keywords, take out the irrelevant keywords, take out the ones that don't make sense, and then I'm going to compile them all into Frankenstein, which is right up here. You go to export and you're going to do export to Frankenstein. And this is just a little tool that comes with Helium 10 that you could organize all of your keywords and then organize your titles and everything. But I remove the duplicates and I convert to lowercase. So then what what I'll do is I'll take all of my keywords once I have a master keyword list of about 40 to 50 keywords, and I took the keywords from that top competitor's title and I have all of them together. Then I'll either go into like a Word document and start creating my title with all of the keywords and then my description, or I'll go into the listing optimization tool that they have called Scribbles, and this is where you could generate your title. It tells you like the character count, you could add emojis, and then you could just copy and paste this directly into Seller Central, like your title or your description. Whatever you want to do, you could use Scribbles, or you could just do it in a Word document and then copy and paste it. But what I would do is I'd put them all here, and then I would go back into Amazon Seller Central, and this is where you put all of your keywords. So the most important part is have as many keywords as you can in the main title. You don't want to duplicate them and you don't want to make it look cluttered. But again, try to replicate that top seller. Don't copy it word for word, but use those keywords and add a couple other ones that you found using Cerebro. And then whatever you can't fit in the product name or the product title, you are going to put them in the description. So you're going to have them in the product description throughout the whole description. You'll have your keywords in there. And then you'll also put them in the key product features. So whatever they're used for, you would add all your keywords in this section. And then you would also put them in your back end keywords. So that is under the box that says search term. You'll also use them in the subject matter, intended use, target audience, because when you have all these keywords in your listing, you are going to get indexed for these. So when a customer goes on Amazon and types them in, you are going to pop up so they could see your product. If you are missing keywords and you don't have them in your listing, if they type in White Claw Koozie and you don't have that anywhere in your listing, you're not going to pop up for them and you are missing out on a ton of sales. That's why optimizing your listing is very important, because you want your product to pop up in front of as many people as you can, and that's how you get sales. Okay, so now that we saw what an optimized listing looks like, this one right here, it looks perfect. Has the perfect picture, it has the water stuff on it, looks like it's photoshopped, the logo, but it doesn't matter. It looks like it's a perfect listing. Now we're gonna show you what a bad listing looks like. So I'm gonna go in here, I actually found this earlier. I typed in koozie wrong, so that's another thing you could do. You could target misspellings of your keywords, but now I'm getting off topic. So I pulled it up here. So right here, you can see this picture. Would you ever want to click on this item and look at it? I mean, just by that main picture, nobody is going to click on that. They're probably losing money in PPC, but we're going to go in there. I'm probably costing them a couple bucks right now, but you could see that image someone just took in their kitchen. They have like Coke in these glasses, which don't really make sense. And then if you look at their title, it has like a price in there. It says set of 6 with 3 free, value assorted. That doesn't even make sense. So I'm already confused looking at this. First off, I wouldn't even click on it because of that main picture. And all of their other pictures are horrible. And then also you could see Helium 10's evaluation result is a 5 out of 10. So you could see why all of these things are horrible. And I keep saying horrible. Hopefully they're not watching it, but if they are, hopefully this video will help you optimize your listing. So that is pretty much it. Now you know what an optimized listing looks like, what one that is not optimized looks like, and how to optimize your listing and copy those top sellers so you could get all the sales that are possible for your product. But that is it. If you want to join my FBA community, hit the link down below. I have Helium 10 discount codes down below, and everything is right in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.